Okay, nose line. So see here, it is just using the characters. Something old man. Okay, how to create this old man? Okay, just go ahead. The eyes. See, this is the first circle. So for step one, I what I do? Step one, I do the circle, and step two, I just do this. Step one, step two, I just do one thing. Okay, step two, step three, I just do one circle, this and this. I just start here the eyes. Okay, so I just step by steps I share over here, and now these steps. So from here you can apply these steps. Okay, so just creating the characters. Old man. Okay, how to create this? What way? Okay, so just maybe I using this. This to make sure this line, okay, and this line should be same. This line and this line should be same area. Then only it just looks like big cap. Okay, this is hoodie cap kind of. Okay, so like this, and make this. Okay, this is eyebrow. Old man, so eyebrow it's little bit of more. Okay, like do this. So how to Disney or apply techniques? Okay, just see like this. So first you roughly draw these characters here. Okay, the step one is very roughly ऐसे करोगे. ओके, मैं कभी अगर मैं इंग्लिश पे ज़्यादा बोलेंगे तो बताना, मैं हिंदी में जाएंगे क्योंकि हिंदी में ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे हैं. ओके, सो समझ पे राइट. हिंदी में थोड़ा ज़्यादा इजी होगा राइट. समझना. चलो, सो फर्स्ट डू लाइक दिस एंड नाउ आफ्टर दैट क्या करोगे? स्किन को ना, इफ यू सी दिस माई layer. Okay, this is a layer right. So I just make this layer my drawing layer. This layer को मैं थोड़ा सा कम करेंगे ऐसा, and I just take something new layer. Okay, and now you can go ahead to next steps. Okay, so go ahead to this. Now it just like this, adds the line, it is more bigger. After that we can make it some more in details color. Okay, so just go ahead to like this. Okay, I just final drawing, when draw then I make it more bigger this part, but this final drawing line, make sure it is not much line, mostly less as possible. Okay, so the go ahead like this, and this nose are making more. This is the final drawing, so that's why I just make more exaggeration. I add something more line, like ऐसे मैंने इसको ऐड किया. समझ पा रहे हो? Shaksham. Sashi sir, oh, understood now, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. So I can go ahead to this. Okay, just draw like this. So everybody's who's are not software installed yet, so just tell me, I can help this. So you using software, how to install it, I provide the software. But yeah, draw with me, so this progress are coming more fast, because we are target to in 1 year we are making some professional portfolio, so we are make it more practice and all. It is important more. How to draw the line. So in first time you are not do everything is in the first stage. Okay, first you are make the your rough techniques, and then second time when you creating character, that time you are just focus the characters. Drawing. Okay, so like this. Okay, so I just, so hope you understand this one. We can creating this very control T. I just off this line. Okay, this rough sketch line, and I draw this control T and this characters. Now the second character I'm starts. Okay. Okay, so just go ahead to this. Next, okay, any characters when you draw, okay, how you did this character expressions and the drawing. Okay, first circle done. Suppose to I just make this characters control T, make it little small. Here control T. I take new layer and new character. I take the new layer and draw the circle like this. Okay, and draw the circle, and then, but first you make circle and then draw this here, draw the oval line like this. Okay, and creating the line like this. So circle and then the oval like this, and here the ear. Okay, draw like this. Now create the characters expression. Okay, here this. Maybe like this. Add the here. Okay, add here. Now in this circle, if you see here, okay, I just create something crazy boy. Nose line over here, mouth line. Okay, roughly first do this. I take something this drawing. मैंने ये ड्राइंग का ना थोड़ा छोटा लेयर ले लिया, मतलब लेयर को ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं किया, जस्ट एक छोटा लेयर. ओके, एक लेयर ले लिया. and this एक ही layer में नहीं किया, I just take the something 2 layers. Okay, and now I just make the head and then torso and then pelvis. Okay, and now, so for example, in this character I just the basic shape of this character may be like this. I just make one hand from the torso. The hand is coming, okay, from the this is a band. Okay. Or maybe this is the another leg. Okay. Make the heads of hands coming from here. This. Make its another hand is here. So this angle is little bit of difference. Wait. So this is if I make what is the basic shape of these characters. Okay. Is watching in tough. Okay, this is I just this angle. If I just make it this watching is B for brush. I just want to say is watching and tough. This angle is little bit of shoulder shots. Okay, he's watching from this baby characters. Okay, he is walking. This brush. I just using the brush small like. Do you see here? This is the characters. The all this construction line I did a bit of erasing. Okay, this all construction line if I erasing. So you can see this characters real how looks. Just to make this line up to that. I erasing the construction line, make it little bit of baby chin nicely. Okay, like this. Okay. This another leg is here. Okay, this is the angle. Okay, so I just go ahead to the and just share the simple shapes of using the circles and line and simple shapes, creating this amazing character design. Okay, so any shapes you are using to any shapes using for character. So for example, if you are making some shapes like any shapes of tree or anything else, I just for example I just take something shape like this. I just take shape like this. B. Okay, this is the imagine these shapes are like what does shape look like? This something.
Mushroom.
It's a mushroom, but actually this mushroom, you can create the characters using this mushroom. Okay, the shape is like this, or this shape basically like this. One shape, one triangle, and one box. I'm using this shape. This basic shape is this. From these shapes, if I want to make characters, okay, when I add the other things, hands and this leg, then it's coming character. But basic shape is this. Okay, as here, यहाँ पे मैं जब करेंगे कलर, so यहाँ पे basic shapes को मैंने ये कर लिया white. Okay, so see this is characters. इसको मैंने opacity को up करूँ थोड़ा. Okay. Right. So just creating the here character. Take new layer. I just imagine this character here. Okay. This is amazing. This shapes. This is one character, very famous character. You know, this is cartoon character. The same hairstyle. Remember this character? Yeah. Dora the Explorer. If you see this movie, this character's hairstyle is like this only. See, this is I using something idea from maybe movie called this Moana. I just take this characters like this. Okay, so I just take the same. Okay. Right? So just you can imagine that if I create this. No, this character is coming the same shapes. I just add this line. Right? So you just think about the characters when you draw the character design. So you need this very simple. Maybe you can create something crazy character, some joker or something villain characters. How to draw this? I just with the expression I just share you. I just take something livelier. Okay, just go ahead to this. Okay, so I just off this one.